What's up, guys? My name is Andrew. Welcome to 40's in a Bag. What's up, guys? My name is Andrew.
I'm Justin.
And I'm Joe.
Yep, we got Joe today, guys. Today, we're going to 40's in a bag. So this should be a really fun episode. If you guys don't know what 40's in a bag is, this whole show is about hanging out with Euro cars and drinking 40-ounce bottles of beer. That's basically what this show is going to be about. We're going to be hanging out with a bunch of people, showing the R32 off, even though it's not really show.
Still stock, but
yeah, it's not really quite show quality, but we're there more just to hang out with people, meet some people, have a good time, drink some beers. So if you guys want to come along for the ride, see what 40's in a bag is all about, come and join us, guys. So let's get on the road and let's get the 40's in a bag. Okay, guys, so just a quick overview of what 40's in a bag is. 40's in a bag is basically a show that is about drinking 40-ounce bottles of alcohol. I'm not gonna show you guys anything because I don't want to be demonetized or anything like that, but basically the whole idea is you drink your 40 ounce and you place it in front of a car that you like the most. The car that has the most 40 ounces at the end wins the show. So that's kind of the idea overall of the show. We're gonna go and actually go talk and see what the events they have here at 40's in a bag. Some of the shows and events that they actually put on are like a shorties for 40's, which is basically all the girls bring their cars up and votes which car is the best. They do like a diesel rolling coal competition. They do a sound off. There's a bunch of events that they do here. So let's go ahead and let's get into some of these events and just kind of see what they have and see what 40's is all about, because this is an awesome show and I feel like a lot of Volkswagen guys or Euro guys in general would really enjoy this kind of show. So let's go ahead, let's jump into this and let's show you guys some more details of what the show is all about.
Whoever's got the most 40's at the end of the event, that's how we judge the best of show. That's because that's the people, you guys, that's what you wanted. So all I'm asking now is a little bit of recognition after 14 years for my man, Aaron Smith, who created this event. Give it up. Guys, if you have 40's here, drink them, pour them out for the homies, do whatever you need to do. But look around the show today and find out what you really want to be the best of show this year. Don't forget, 40's best of show is dictated by you guys.
Okay, guys, so a lot of awesome people are here. There are so many people here that are just really awesome, down-to-earth people, just down to talk, hang out, talk about cars. It's the main reason why I like this kind of show. But let's go over to the stage and let's actually go see what they're doing. I believe they are doing a sound off, so let's go see some of these cars and how loud they're gonna be. Go. Go! Okay guys, so we're here with my friend Andy. He has a really cool Golf R. So let's go ahead, let's go over his Golf R and just kind of show you guys what he has done to this car and kind of what his build is overall.
So it's got a DBV2 IS38 hybrid, full fueling, precision racing, 3.5-inch intake, 3.5-inch downpipe, and yeah, it's pretty fun to drive. Carbon fiber lip, carbon fiber diffuser in the back, 3-piece rotiforms, airlift performance, of course, OEM roof box, carbon fiber wheel, P3 gauge, probably the best thing I ever purchased, and obviously the airlift controller.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so that's just a quick overview of Andy's Mark 7 Golf R. So if you guys want to see Andy's car, you know, like...
Yeah, let me know.
Yeah, guys.
I'll drive over, we'll hang out, get some videos.
Yeah, so if you guys want to see his car, comment down below. We'll do a whole walk around of his car. Maybe we'll even do like a drive of his car and kind of really get to understand what the Mark 7 Golfs are. Maybe we'll do even a comparison to the Mark 4. Kind of be cool to see, you know, the comparison between them. So
yeah.
Let us know, guys.
Comment.
Yep.
Drop a comment.
We'll let you guys know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so it's getting a little late here at 40's. It's getting more towards dusk. It's going to be harder to keep filming, but I wanted to give you guys a kind of overview of what 40's in a bag is about. I didn't do as much filming as maybe I could have, but I'm not used to 100% to filming in front of people, so I'm just starting to get used to it and stuff like that. So just trying to figure it all out as I go. For right now, we got Justin and Joe are over here. They are eating some food. We got some people over here playing some hacky sack. We got a bunch of people all around doing stuff. So we're just gonna keep going on through the night. Maybe I'll keep filming, maybe I won't. I just wanted to keep showing you guys what 40's in a bag is all about. It's an awesome show overall. And if you guys want to come check it out, highly recommend going to this show. So let's see what else we end up doing tonight. Maybe we'll get some more shots, maybe we won't. Just kind of show you guys more of what 40's in a bag is all about. Okay guys, it's the next morning. We are about to go hit the road. Everything's all packed up. 40's is basically wrapping up for this year. This was an awesome show. We were up till like 1 in the morning. Joe went to bed around 11, but like we were up hanging out with everyone around the fire, just talking about car stuff, having a great time. We'll get on the road and we'll keep wrapping up some more, but awesome show overall, and we'll give you guys an update on what the rest of the experience of 40's was like. Okay guys, so overall thoughts on 40's in a bag. Awesome show, love the experience. Later last night, they had a few events after basically the show was over and everything. They had a bonfire for the rest of the night. They also had a rave tent that was going until like, I don't know, probably 1 in the morning also. So they had a bunch of awesome event things going on here even during the day. Made for a really cool experience and a very unique show overall compared to, I'd say, most other shows that I would go to, say like Waterfest or H2O. This show was a very much, I'd say, community-based show, which was really cool, very interesting, and I had a blast. How about you guys?
Oh, it was a ton of fun. First show ever, best show ever.
There you go.
I haven't seen anything like this, and it was awesome.
Yeah, so we're definitely going to be coming back to another 40's in a bag. Just so everyone knows, next year 40's in a bag is going to be at a different location, and it's going to be hosted by Upstate Vag. The guy who has been running 40, Aaron, for years, he's going to step back from doing 40's, and he just rather concentrate on his own personal life at this point. So there's going to be a new group taking over for 40's in the bag and carrying the torch for the show. So should be pretty cool overall. We will definitely be at the next 40's, and we'll definitely be checking out that show. So if you guys enjoyed this episode and you guys enjoyed just learning about 40's in the bag, go down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. We would all actually really appreciate it.
Yes, we would.
And we'd love to have you guys come out to shows and see us. Like, we're here hanging out with people, meeting a bunch of people. We met a bunch of people today and over this weekend that are awesome people. So until next time, guys, my name is Andrew.
I'm Justin.
And I'm Joe.
And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.